Hello, my dear food lovers. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make a very simple, tasty, and basic version of a vegetable noodles. This is my mother's recipe, and this was the first noodle which I had when I was a kid. Well, talking about nostalgia, I don't think we ever bought Maggie during my entire school life. It was always this one and another version of the homemade noodles. The vegetables my mom uses includes 1 cup of green peas. Here I have pre-cooked green peas, 1 large and 1 medium-sized potato diced into small pieces, 2 medium-sized carrot cut into broad and thin juliennes, 2 medium-sized onion roughly chopped. For best taste, we would recommend not to add any other vegetables. As of for flavor, I will be using only 3 basic ingredients: 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and 1.5 teaspoon of salt. As per the quantity of the noodles, keep enough water for boiling. When the water starts to bubble, add 2 teaspoons of refined oil, and 1 tablespoon of salt. We can see that our water has started to boil. Now let's add the raw noodles into the water. We have to cook the noodles at low temperature and we have to keep monitoring to avoid overcooking. Once the noodles are done, drain the hot water and keep the noodles in room temperature water for about 5 to 7 minutes and then drain that water as well and let it cool down. Heat a kadai. You can use a wok also and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of refined oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add the chopped onions. And let it saute for some time. Our onions have become a bit soft. Now let's add the remaining veggies starting with carrot, potato, and our green peas. Mix well. Lastly, cover the lid and cook the veggies for about 2 minutes. Now let's add salt, red chili powder, and turmeric powder. Give everything a good mix. Now cover and cook till the vegetable becomes soft. Once the vegetables have cooked properly, add the pre-cooked noodles into the kadai and start mixing and folding everything from bottom to top. This recipe is highly recommended as it uses only basic spices and it can be given to children without any worries. They will love it. As we can see, our vegetable noodle is ready to be served hot. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this recipe, please do try at home. Also, click like, share among your contact, and also please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care and be extra cautious.